Okay, well, I want to circle back to shear stress because that also plays a role in some of the mechanisms behind the reduction in cancer mortality as well. And that's something that Dr. Carrie Kernier talked about on the podcast. So, the reductions in cancer-related mortality weren't as high as, the type 2 diabetes risk reduction, but they're still significant enough, right? You're talking 3.5. For every 1 minute of vigorous activity, you have to spend 3.5 minutes of, moderate intensity activity, almost 4 minutes, right? If you round up, I would say it's almost 4 minutes. Why is that the case? Well, there's probably a lot of, again, mechanisms, but one that I think that's super interesting is that shear stress that's improving your endothelial function, that's improving, the function of your arteries and in your blood vessels. It's also playing a role in killing cancer cells. And you might go, what are you talking about? So when people have a primary tumor, the cancer cells that make up that primary tumor don't all necessarily stay at that site of the tumor, right? So what happens is oftentimes you have these cancer cells that'll escape the primary site, either through the lymphatic system, they get into circulation. And when they're in circulation, they're called circulating tumor cells. And those circulating tumor cells are not like your normal blood cells. They're not like your normal white blood cells or red blood cells in your circulation. They're all kinds of messed up. They have tons of different mutations. Your body is ready for them to die. Like, they're ready to die. They are primed to die. And the only reason why these cells are not dying is because they have found a way to increase all of their proteins that are basically stopping them from dying. And it's like a balancing. There's like these proteins inside your body that promote death, and there's these other ones that stop death. And it's really just a balance. So when the balance goes into promoting death, the cell dies. If you've got that anti-death, so they're called anti-apoptotic proteins, if they're higher, even if they're supposed to die, as long as that signal is saying, no, don't die, they won't die, even though they're all kinds of messed up, right? And so cancer cells that's kind of why, chemotherapy, radiation, these things that are they're damaging, right? It's a major stress on all cells. It's a death signal. It's why it does effectively kill cancer cells.